welcome back to another IGTV video. Today I just wanted to, I guess sit down again and make another video for you guys. I think it would be a really cool idea for me to talk about my favorite things from Essence Cosmetics. Because we all know, you have all these beautiful makeup products out there, but they're also bloody expensive that we can barely afford them. Me being the girl that I am, I love a good steal, and Essence is so affordable. Why not? So I just wanted to show you guys my favorite things from Essence Cosmetics today for today's IGTV video. Like I said, I'm trying to make a few more IGTV videos because I am not a very frequent videographer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please don't forget to double tap and share with your friends. That always helps. I guess let's find out some more about some really cheap, really awesome makeup. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I think let's just dive right into it. I have a whole box filled with beautiful Essence things. Let's just get started. So we're gonna start with primer. My favorite primer from Essence is, without a doubt, this You Better Work primer. It is so good, guys. And I love the sort of minty color that it has. It has like a really cool minty green color, which is beautiful for cancelling out redness. If my face is a little bit red, I absolutely love to use this as a primer. It's just so color correcting and really works. It really is a gym proof primer. This lasts all day, guys. I swear to God, you could actually go to gym in this and your makeup would still look perfect. Okay, now next, let's dive into some foundation. One foundation that I do absolutely love, it is the Essence Soft Touch Mousse Makeup. This is in the shade 13 Porcelain. Guys, this just has such a beautiful finish on the skin. Imagine completely blurred out, like you cannot see your pores with this beauty. I really love this foundation. The only complaint that I have got about this is that the pot size is really small. So you do get a really small amount of product and you're gonna have to repurchase it really quickly. This is 0.56 fluid ounces and the standard for a foundation is 1 fluid ounce, so you're almost getting half the amount that you generally get in a foundation. A little bit of a con there, but really the finish is fantastic, guys. And if you're looking for a cheap, affordable foundation, this one is really beautiful. Okay, now let's move on to concealers. My favorite Essence concealer has got to be the Camouflage Plus Healthy Glow Concealer. They have a matte version of this as well. The matte one is terrible. The glowy one, I love. It's really beautiful. Covers underneath the eyes. I don't find that my makeup creases with this, which is a huge plus for me. It's long lasting. I find that it blends out with almost any foundation that I'm wearing that day. They say here that it's waterproof and it has a vitamin complex, which is also really cool. So we have a little bit of skincare inside your concealer as well, which is also a huge plus. The next concealer I have to show you guys is the Essence Get Picture Ready Brightening Concealer. This concealer is really beautiful if you're just not wearing foundation. If you're having one of those days when you just want to have a really light makeup day, just putting a little bit of this under your eyes. I don't know what it is about this specific concealer. I feel like it is probably one of the most brightening concealers that I own. I absolutely love the brightening effect that this one gives. It's absolutely beautiful. This is the lightest shade and it's very yellow, but I really love it because I love that yellow tinted brightening effect that it gives. Okay, so the next step in my general makeup routine is setting. The first one that I have to show you guys is almost like a holy grail product for me. I have used this setting powder since I started doing my makeup because, your girl was on a budget and trying to find something really affordable that really worked. And that is exactly what I found in this Essence Stay All Day Translucent Fixing Powder. This powder made my makeup last, and that is really all you need from a fixing powder. There's no flashback. It's really great. I feel like a powder is something that it's not a luxury for me. It's just something that I want to work, something that I want to be affordable. I want to spend as little money as possible and get the best effect. And that is exactly what I feel like I get with this fixing powder. The next powder that I have to show you guys is this Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. I really love this powder and so many other people have raved about it as well. And that's honestly just because it's a really good powder. It has a beautiful banana undertone to it. Really, there's nothing more to it than just a brightening setting powder that really works. If you can imagine this formula being pressed in a pan and slightly more yellow, basically the same thing. It's just a really affordable product that actually really works. Okay guys, so now I think it is time to talk about some blush. I love blush. I just want to quickly pass by the blushes because I have a few that I really love from Essence. I think their blush formula is fantastic, and yeah, I just want to share it with you guys. The first one that I have to show you is this Essence Matte Touch Blush. This is really beautiful if you just want like a nice pinky glow, not too extra, just something healthy. Really like this one. I find myself reaching for it a lot. One of my favorites, and you guys will see now. It is, I've hit pan on this a couple of times. This is the Essence Mosaic Blush in the shade Miss Floral Coral. I'm sure you guys have heard me speak about this on my Instagram before. Not only is the mosaic design that you get just so pretty, but this is just such a beautiful baby pink corally color that I'm just obsessed with. So stunning. Just another blush, basically the exact same formula as the other two. I really love the Essence blushes. This is the Essence Life is a Festival blush. It's actually a duo blush, so it's kind of got a gradient, a lot like the NYX ones. It fades from this beautiful coral pink. I'm sure you guys can see there's a trend here. I love coral blushes. And it fades out into this really, really, really faint pink. I just kind of swirl everything together. I'm not too big on gradients or like duo things. I just mix everything together. And again, beautiful. Like, this is very much a similar finish to this one and a similar shade. This is in the shade Hippie Hippie Hooray. This one I kind of find to be more of a highlight shade. It is this beautiful mix between gold and pink. I don't even know what to call it. Oh, but it's beautiful. This is the Essence Good Vibes, Good Memories Baked Blush and Highlighter. That's exactly what it is. It's a mixture between a blush and a highlighter. It really does shimmer, but it also has a beautiful glow to it. Let me see if I can focus it. Oh, can you guys see that glow? Really love this one. The next blush that I have to show you guys is this tiny My Glow Passion brush. It's like in a little heart shape. I absolutely love that. Yeah, this is just also a really beautiful blush color. This looks fantastic on people with slightly darker, richer skin tones. But I also really love it for myself because I love a terracotta reddish kind of blush as well. Yeah, this one also has some reflect in it. So definitely don't expect something matte. I love that this is in a tin as well. I just think it's so adorable. Okay, so the next thing I have to show you guys is actually, I think, a really, really, really cute idea from Essence. They brought out these My Must-Have palettes, and they are empty palettes that you get, and you can choose which shades you want and kind of like click them in. You can kind of like remove them and click them into place, which I think is really, really fantastic. You can kind of switch it around. I use these as face palettes because, guys, this specific contour shade, it is an eyeshadow of theirs from their must-haves collection in the shade Brown. I am obsessed with this as a contour. It is so, so, so beautiful. They have a bronzer shade as well that actually just popped out this morning. I use this as a blush. These are fantastic. Eyeshadows, contour, blush, you name it, they have it. They even have a tiny fixing powder. And I just love that you can kind of mix and match to your exact needs. I don't know if you guys can see, this palette actually broke. So I recently bought a new one, but I haven't swapped the colors into the new palette yet. So yeah, it's taped together right now. I have a really cool eyeshadow to show you guys, and that is their Melted Chrome eyeshadows. If you guys have not tried these, they're a little bit pricey for what they are. It's 64 Rand, I think, but these are so blinding and so pigmented. You guys like will be like fucking shocked. Like, it's amazing. I want to swatch it for you guys. They are so soft. Every time I touch it, like it's like a shock. I don't know if you guys can see how metallic that is, but oh my holy cow, that is so reflective. It's over. It's over. Essence just stole the show. Let's talk about some of their liquid eyeshadows. Guys, these are really fantastic as well. These are their Essence Metal Shock eyeshadows. They are so pigmented. They really do compete with some of my high-end liquid shadows. And to be honest, it's hard for me to find a liquid shadow that I really, really love. And this one, gold one in particular, you guys see how beautiful that is. Oh my word. This is in the shade Solar Explosion. Okay, now I think it is time to talk about their mascaras because I have tried so many of the Essence mascaras And there are so many that I love. I feel like Essence is kind of famous for their mascaras because they just nail it every single time with their formula, and they are so affordable and so accessible, and everyone just loves that about them. I mean, what is there not to love about that? So the first one that I really love is this I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. This one is really beautiful, and the reason that I love this one so specifically is because it layers so beautifully throughout the day. It's got a really big applicator, but you can put this on in the morning, halfway through the day, and again at night, just layering it on top of each other, and it's just going to look better with every layer. Like, I love that about this. You can layer it up and it doesn't get clumpy and gross. The Essence Lashes of the Day mascara. This one is fabulous. This is probably my favorite mascara of theirs. It has a beautiful fine wand. It makes it so easy for me to get to my bottom lashes especially, and right up to the root of my lashes. Again, it's a mascara. It does what it's meant to. It's affordable, it's cheap, why not, right? Their Lash Princess mascara is amazing. This one is a cult favorite. Everyone loves this mascara. It has a tapered one, so it goes from big to small, just like the Lashes of the Day. Makes it really easy to get to the bottom of the lashes and really just flip them up and curl them. I only have lip products left to show you guys. First of all, I'm going to talk about these Essence Matte Long Lasting Lip Glosses. These are beautiful. I have 2 shades. I've never really collected all the rest, but they have so much pigment in them. It's actually crazy. They have such a soft mousse texture to them. They don't dry like liquid lipsticks, so don't expect these to be entirely matte. They kind of have like a demi-matte sort of finish. Kind of think of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. These are very comparable, except the lip creams actually dry down a little bit more than this does. So don't expect to be kissing someone and not getting lipstick all over their face with these, because you will. But the finish is so comfortable and it wears all day, even though it's not a matte. Even though it doesn't dry down, I still feel like I don't really have to reapply this throughout the day. I really like it. Now, another lip product that I really adore from Essence is their Color Boost Mad About Matte Liquid Lipstick. Now, opposite to those, this actually does dry down to a complete matte finish. This is very opaque, very comfortable. I find that it's very long lasting, and I absolutely love the doe foot applicator. I don't know if you guys can see that weird hourglass shape that it has. So interesting, but it contours the lips perfectly. It just fits. I don't know what it is about this. It reminds me a lot of the Fenty Beauty. I can't remember what that liquid lipstick is called, but they have this liquid lipstick that has the same kind of applicator. It just really hugs your lips, and I like that about it. I also like that it's in a squeezy tube, so if you feel like you need to get right to the bottom, you can just kind of squeeze the lipstick down, which I think is really innovative. I really like this design. I really like the formula, and I love the applicator. It's Now I have 2 lip glosses from Essence. These were actually recommended by She-Wolf. I'm sure you guys know her. Who doesn't? She's amazing. So yeah, she kind of introduced me to these, and this one in particular, their clear gloss. This is the Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss. Is so amazing and so fabulous. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. I'm wearing it today. Can you guys see just how glossy I am? Okay, so the second lip gloss I have to show you guys is the same lip gloss. It's just in a different shade. This one has shimmer in it and a little bit of color. This one is in the shade Let It Go. This one is so beautiful, but also very frosty. I love icy frosty lip glosses. Not everyone does. So if this is your cup of tea, really recommend it. If it's not, they have a clear one. So the very last product that I have to show you guys today is their Essence Stay True 6-Hour Waterproof Lip Liner. This is in the shade Brick Lane. These are really fantastic. If you're looking for just like a cheap, affordable lip liner that works, that's pretty much the theme of this video. It's just, you know, cheap, affordable makeup that actually works. And this is one of them. I really love this particular shade. I feel like it matches with so many of my lipsticks. Look how beautiful that shade is. Oh, this shade, Brick Lane, with this together, from heaven. That is all that I have to show you guys from Essence Cosmetics today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little IGTV video. Again, like, I'm just trying to put out a little bit more content for you guys because I don't know, I just feel like I need to have more of an online presence. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to double tap and share, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm such a loser. Bye guys.